What's up, everybody? Today I get to utilize my heated garage to do some work when it's 4 degrees outside. So pretty lucky I got that access to this. I'm gonna do a couple things today. Gonna do go over some vinyl pinstriping options that you have. Pretty cheap, easy way to customize your ride, and if you don't like it, you just peel it right off. It's going to show you some of the places I put on vinyl pinstriping, and I also have a new mod for the back that I'm going to share with you guys.
Tomorrow morning's rush hour may bring skies will rapidly cloud up later tonight, and a period of snow and flurries will develop.
Alright guys, so there's a lot of different kinds of vinyl, a lot of different size pinstriping. You got 1 inch, that's what I have along the front. You got 1/2 inch, you got 1/8 inch, comes in 1/4 inch too. But for real fine pinstriping, you want to use the 8 inch. So those are some of the different sizes. Alright guys, so first thing you got to do with pinstriping is you got to make sure that the surface is clean. These they do have sticky surfaces on the back, but you definitely got to make sure it's clean so it gets a good grip. So I'm going to put this 8 inch pinstriping around the outside of my wheel, which is probably about the hardest thing you can do with pinstriping. Putting pinstriping in a straight line is relatively easy. Putting it around edges or on corners takes a lot of patience and a lot of time. So another thing you want to do with pinstriping is that you don't want to pull it too tight, because the reason I'm doing this wheel again is because I put this on in the fall when it was relatively warm and I stretched it out too much. So when it got cold, vinyl contracted and it ended up pulling off the side. You're almost better off putting it on in cold weather, because then if it loosens up in warmer weather, it's okay. You don't want it to contract though in colder weather. So let's give this a shot. Guys, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to continue my racing stripe down along the back edge of the car. As you can see, I don't have it on the back right now. I'm not going to go over the spoiler though, because I got something I'm going to be doing with the spoiler. So I'm just going to take it off. I'll take it off the edge here, go down on the back, and then down around the license plate. So let's give that a shot. So I got the center stripe on. The vinyl's always really difficult to try to get flat, but you got to use the blow dryer and a squeegee and just try to do the best you can. So I just have regular painter's tape to give me the width before I put the red 1/2 inch pinstriping on. Alright guys, so I got the vinyl stripe finished. Took it all the way down around the back. Still have to put the license plate on, but I want to talk about the next mod I'm going to do now. I want to do something about the spoiler. I want to increase the stance of the spoiler, but I don't necessarily want to do the Hellcat spoiler. So what I got is this lip, and you'll see that it has the adhesive right there, and I'm going to put that adhesive to give me a little bit more height on there. I'm going to see how it looks. This stuff's not that expensive. I think it's like 30 bucks. So, and I got white initially. I don't know if I'm going to stick with white. I might go black. I might go red at some point. But, you know, it's easy to take on and off, and it's cheap. So, I'm going to give it a shot. I'll let you know what it looks like when I'm done. So, got everything done. Definitely pulling out the black and red and white theme here. Got some new tape on the front. There's the spoiler in the back. I don't know. Not sure if I'm going to keep that on there. Let's see if it grows on me. There's the tape in the back. I love that. It was really incomplete without that that line in the back. So, there she is, all modded up for 2017. Last mod of the year, on the last day of the year.